It's a bit noisy, sorry guys, got the forge going, gonna do some hammers. So I've got the first coat of paint on the Powerhammer, obviously, the matte black. And I'm just going around and tapping all these. I was talking to Sam, said I picked up some new M8 bolts and they didn't seem to go in. So then he was possibly thought they could be UNC. We checked some UNC bolts and they weren't, they didn't align up with the M8s. But they're slightly undersized, so I don't know, it's just obviously the ones we made in China or whatever. Like a cheaper sort of manufacturer of them. I'm just going around now with the drill, tapping it, the taper, the second, and then obviously the plug. And just re-tapping all the holes where all the covers pick up, and then I'm going to put the gaskets back on. I'll get another coat of paint, and then get the gasket on it, and then start putting it back together. So yeah, that's what we're up to. Next, I'm just getting ready to put all the panels and stuff back on now, the little covers. All I'm doing is all these flat faces, obviously where the gasket's going to be sat. I'm just going over with like an old worn orbital pad. Just taking it. I mean, like I said, the machine is not brilliant anyway, and it seemed to work obviously before. So all I'm doing is just taking it down so it feels smooth to the finger, obviously, you know what I mean? And then I'm going to stick them all on with the new gaskets I've made. And then once that's on, all that's got to go back really is got machined the con rod. I'll do with Sam. Obviously Sam's going to be leading the job on that, showing us how to do it. The flywheel can go back on the back, and the hammer can go in, and the cap, so it's all pretty much there to go now. And then it's just a case of getting it on a decent base, which should probably be a sleeper. And again, I'll touch it up with the paint once I get it into position. We'll be over there, move that table. So yeah, I'm getting close to it now, guys. It's going to be pretty exciting. So it's got this lump off. I don't know the exact name for the part. I guess it's a bottom die holder. Just cleaned up that gasket you've seen that I've got over there. Now it's on the hammer, so it's ready to go back on. Taking it off the tray it was fixed to. Sounds like a rubber canvas of some sort. So yeah, I'm just going to go whip around this now with the die grinder. No, sorry, the grinder with a grinding wheel on it, a wire wheel. Give it a quick clean up and then put it back. And then that's obviously ready to go. One less thing to do. So we'll start that now.